Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I've got an awesome little Scout to show you guys. It's a 2021 215 XSF. Center console is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury with just over 70 hours on it. Boat is loaded with options, including the upgraded 200 horse, the hard top, upgraded Garmin unit, and transducer. Quick little walkthrough for you guys. Nice forward facing bow seating area with the oversized cooler, dry storage under the console seat. Live well in the port quarter here. Access to your bilge there. Rocket launcher on the back of the leaning post. 72 quart cooler there. Stepping aboard. Really nice upholstery by Scout, including this aft bench seat. Creates a lot more seating for everyone. Walk through transom door to the 3-step stainless ladder. Hydraulic steering by Seastar. That stows away nicely, creating more room to walk through. Got a couple cup holders here, back of the leaning post. Moving forward is this really well-placed helm. All the gauges, controls, Garmin unit, stereo, switch panel by Scout. Really nice ergonomic buttons there with lighted back LED. Tilted helm, stainless steel steering wheel with the knob, make docking easier. This little glove box area. USB, 12 volt, another USB there. Draining cup holders here. Digital controls for this Mercury. Again, we've got just under 73 hours on the motor. My favorite screen there. The compass on the dash. Inside the console, you've got a lot of storage here, as well as your battery switch. Access to your batteries and the battery charger is through there. Elastic storage there. Got your throwable light up top as well. Moving forward on the port side here. So these backrests can actually come out if you don't want to use them and stow nicely in the console. If you're cruising around with family, go ahead and pop them in there. Really nice sun pad here. It doubles as an insulated fish box. Gas assist shock. Really nice size here. That locks with this stainless latch. You got your split bow rails to hold on to while you're riding up on the bow. Cup holder, rod holder combos up here, as well as pop-up cleats on the bow, stern, and midship. Make things nice when you're walking around on the gunnels. Got your anchor locker access here, as well as access to the chain, line, even more storage if you'd like. Both port and starboard side have these storage areas as well that drain. maximizing the storage space on this 21-foot boat. 4 speakers. Got the battery charger port right here, as well as lights on the gunnels. Rod storage, both starboard and port. Flip down bolsters, make cruising nice and comfortable, as well as the tilting helm. Adjust to whatever style you're cruising at. You can see from outside the boat, it's nice and level with the dock here, but then the bow raises up right at the leaning post, give you a little bit more flare and seaworthiness. This does make entering the boat nice and easy. Already at that level. Got 4 more rod holders on the transom here, as well as cup holders behind that aft bench seat. Swim platform on the port and starboard. Starboard has the access. This boat is bottom painted, and it comes with a tandem axle trailer. Again, this is a 2021 model, loaded with options. It's a really cool boat, guys. Come and see it today. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 215 XSF by Scout. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a call today, 239-249-4345. Get you aboard and take a look. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.